Hello everyone. The Employee Request Odoo app is designed to streamline and manage employee requests within your organization. Manager can create and multiple types of requests which empower employees to submit various types of requests and can track them, and a manager can approve or reject the request, and an employee can receive and request items. Also get an email notifications for all the request actions. User can also print the PDF reports for the request and view under each and every employees. Now, after installing this module, let's get into the employee menu where you can see an employee request type under the configuration of employees. So here I have created some of the employee requests. These are the types which I have created. Now let's create an employee request. So for that we need to get into the configurations. Under that you can see an employee request. So from here let's create one new, and here we need to give the employee name and we need to fill all the informations like requested date. So here I have added the requested date, and here we need to give an request type. Okay, so here I'm going to give the request type as an promotion. So let's copy the same and we can use and request for whom we are going to request. So for promotion for the person, here you can see the employee name. So let's copy the name, and here I have added the name of that employee. Okay, so here you can check the box. If it is and financial, you can just enable this option. Now let's save this one. You can see that I am in and demo login. Okay, now let's end and request. So if this particular employee will be an employee user, that user have an access to create. So for approval, we need to log in as an administrator. So here in this chapter, you can see that the manager will receive an mail regarding the request that we have created. And here you can see the content of it. Now let's log in as an admin login. Now we are in the admin login, so let's get into the employees. Here under the configurations, you can see the employee request. So here in this one, this is the one which we have created. Here you can see an approve as well as the reject request. Now let's click on the approve. So it will send a mail to the employee like we have approved the request that you have created. And like the same way, you can see the received option. Once you click on that, you can see the mail will be sent to the employee like we have received your request that you have created. Okay, so like the same way, let's see the workflow of and reject. So let's create one, and from here you can see the reject request. If we have rejected, you can see the reject mail will be sent to the same employee that we have added here. Okay, user can also print a request PDF report. So for that we need to get into the print where you can see an employee request information. So let's get into that. Here user can see the request number, request date, company action needs to be taken, and also you can see all the details that we have created for the request can be seen here. User can also see all the requests of the employees under the employee request tab on the employee view. So for that, let's get into the employees. So here under the employee request, user can see all the requests that we have created for each and every employee. In this way, we can make use of this module to help to create and submit various types of requests and can track them, and also manager can approve or reject the request that we have created. If you have any queries regarding this video, you can ask in the comment box. We will definitely solve your queries, and if you feel this video is helpful to you, you can like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more Odoo related updates. Thanks for watching.